Okay, well, we started the design phase in August of last year, and the field had met its useful life. That was existing from 2005, and the design phase really worked on what we could do within the constraints of the budget. Yes, the sinking fund has given us the ability to replace the track, put in some more security through the fencing and ticket booths, and then the turf itself. The turf had met its useful life, and the sinking fund are all allowable expenditures for this project. The new turfs, they've come a long way. We expect to get 12 years out of this turf or better. The track this time is going to be red. You're probably used to the green, and the asphalt was replaced underneath, and now we're putting a new rubber-coated track, and that will happen in about 3 weeks.
The whole project began when?
We started May 1st. The goal was to get started early so we could guarantee the contracts. We got the contractors before our neighbors, and it's about a 3 to 4 month project with all the work that we've done. So the turf, at this process, they're stitching it together, and as you can see that there's little holes in here that will allow the water to drain, but the turf comes in the shape that it's in. Derek, you want to hit on that? It's just the carpet itself. Then once it's all stitched together, they'll put rubber and sand in here to ballast it down and give it the soft
terminology on that, but that's what they're doing there. It's all the markings for the field. Then they'll do the numbers next, and then the logo after that.
So they move this thing one step at a time?
Yep, and they're cutting them out. They're just cut. They haven't pulled them yet though, but they're cut. You see where they cut them. So then they sew that all in individual. The white came on it, and then the stripes came on it too, off the. And then this one's the alternating green too, from what you had before. It looks nice. They're going to be readjusted yet, but new footings, new posts. What else did we do? The track's been redone. There's a new top of rubber going on here. It'll be a 1/2 inch thick, and it gets a fine sand in each pit. There's drains in there, so nothing will hold water. That's the long jump. There's one going each way. New fence on the outside. New pole vault. Here, it used to be over there. It's got it'll get a rubber coating on it, 1/2 inch like the long jump. New grass in through here. That's pretty much this part of it here. How thick this new stuff is, you know. Then they broadcast the rubber and the sand in there. It gives you the cushion, you know, which is what happens. That wears off over time. There's hardly any left.
So this was added data and power at both the 30-yard lines, and we have them both at the 50s. This will be used for track counting. Ball field near the concession. These are new ticket booths that we're putting in, and then the 2 pillars here will have a archway that says Dragon Country that's being made. All this will be stamped concrete with the LO logo in the middle. Ticket booths in either side, and as you go, you'll go to your right from this ticket booth under that arch I spoke to, and then into the stadium.
And previously they were located
on the concession building.